when it comes to digital transformation, many law firms are integrating advanced technologies. We hear a lot about AI, machine learning, and other technologies to streamline operations and improve client service. Can you give us some ideas of specific technologies that are really moving the needle for law firms today, and what should law firms be considering in their strategies?
You bet. First of all, to your point you just made, yes, the process has to be looked at first. And there's two reasons for that, Kevin. One is that you cannot improve the quality of a process by simply automating it. Basically, you're going to get a faster process in terms of the way that it works today. Quality means reshifting steps, looking at different ways, better communication points with the client, working together. The second thing is that when we look at technology, it's how it's configured that makes a difference. It's not buying it. And we hear stories all the time within law firms and general legal counsel and other organizations. They buy these huge platforms and they're not working for them because they're not configured correctly. And so a big part of looking at the process is say, how do we re-engineer it first to clean it up and improve it? And then it gives us a way to guide configuration of these technologies. Now, to your last question, I think AI is great. It's going to take time to figure out how to integrate that into existing technology bases. Two of the bread and butter, if you will, technologies I think are fantastic for law firms are digital workflow and electronic content management. Digital workflow provides all kinds of opportunities for law firms in terms of how information is communicated internally, kicking off patterns between different people that are doing work, also communication back to the client. And you can go as high level or as detailed as you need to. And by implementing this technology, we're starting to get rid of and squeeze out a lot of the manual efforts of process steps that really don't add any value. So digital workflow, I think, and I would say is one of the primary technologies. Having said that, looking at new data systems are important, looking at ways to integrate the different systems together that you have, and also looking at some of the modules that aren't working correctly and saying, can we reconfigure these?
So digital workflow is an opportunity for law firms and information management in general, bringing together the silos of information across the firm, if you will,